Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to update Windows 11 on a computer where you use the Venmo app, follow this simple guide to ensure your system is current while maintaining access to your payment applications. Step 1. Open the Start menu on your Windows 11 computer by clicking the Windows icon or pressing the Windows key. Step 2. Click on Settings, which appears as a gear icon in the Start menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update from the left sidebar menu. Step 4. Click on Check for Updates to see if there are any available updates for your Windows 11 system. Step 5. If updates are found, click Download and Install to begin downloading the updates. Step 6. Before proceeding with installation, save any work in the Venmo web app if you're using it through a browser, as your computer may need to restart. Step 7. Allow Windows to install the updates. Your computer may restart several times during this process. Step 8. After the updates are installed and your computer has restarted, open your web browser and navigate to Venmo.com to access your Venmo account. Step 9. Note that Venmo is primarily a mobile app, so for the best experience, use the Venmo app on your smartphone rather than the web version on Windows. Step 10. Verify that all Windows 11 updates were successfully installed by checking Windows Update settings again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.